Good morning to one and all present here. Myself, I'm A. Banupriya, doing MTech VLSI second year, and I'm being guided by Tata Uma Mageshwara Rao, Assistant Professor, Department of ECE. My project title is Power Optimized Counter Design using XOR Gate Logic Circuit Technique 1. In my project, I'm going to minimize power using a counter design in which I'm going to use an XOR Gate Logic Circuit Design Technique 1. While seeing of the objective, proposed system could be suitable to low supply voltage, in which usage of XOR gate will lead to propagation delay could be minimized and power delay is reduced. By looking after the introduction, a counter design for low supply voltage and low power consumption application could be designed, and it is being presented. This multi-level look-ahead design achieves speed improvement with layout area reduction. In my existing system, power is maximum and delay is being produced. In a day-to-day circuit implementation, power is the major consumption in which the circuit extracts a larger amount of power. So in my proposed system, I'm going to use XOR gate, in which the usage of AND and OR gates consumed a larger amount of power. Here, the XOR gate has an sensitizing inputs, so speed is being increased and propagation delay is being reduced and power dissipation is being reduced. While looking after the counter, general concept of counter, in logic circuit, in digital logic and computing, a counter is a device which stores and sometimes displays number of times a particular event or process has occurred, often in relationship to the clock signal. It implements a fixed selection function where the resource is granted to the request with the highest priority. While looking after the tools used, I'm going to use the tool Tanner tool 15.1. 15.1. Tanner tool is a tool in which an integrated circuit in which the schematic entry, T-spice simulation, waveform editing, placement routing, netlist extraction, everything could be presented. And I'm going to design the circuit. Circuit implementation could be made in the schematic, and T-spice simulation which shows us the propagation delay which is being produced for each and every conventional counter design one, and W-edit is an auto-generated waveform according to the S-edit. This is the conventional one counter design. In conventional one counter design, they have used, this is an existing system, and they have used an AND gate and OR gate. Both the AND gate and OR gate is being used, in which the power is maximum and delay is being produced. While simulating the conventional counter 1 design, the propagation delay is around 5.1303 and the time consumption is around 4.4, and then this is the waveform output which is being auto-generated from the conventional counter design 1. Here the power dissipation is being produced. While looking after the conventional 2 counter design, they have used the AND gate with an inverter. While the DC input is being given as 0, the conventional counter functions with the flip-flop. While it is being given as 1, the first flip-flop does not function and the second flip-flop gets the input and it functions. Here, the T-spice simulation status shows as the propagation delay which is around 4.93, which is being reduced from the conventional one counter design, and the time consumption is around 4.47 seconds. And this is the waveform output and the power dissipation which is being produced in the waveform output. This is the conventional 3 counter design, in which in this counter design they have not used any gates. Instead of using the gates, they have used the transistors with the pass transistor switch. Here, while we are simulating the conventional 3 counter design, the propagation delay is around 5.1322 and the time consumption is around 2.21. In this case, time consumption is being reduced while comparing the other 2 conventional counter design. Here is the waveform output in which the propagation power dissipation could be. This is the proposed system design. In my proposed system design, I have implemented the XOR gate design in which the circuit functions. While stimulating the proposed system design, the propagation delay is around 1.2060, which shows a lot of variation while comparing the other 3 conventional counter designs. You can look after the time seconds, which is also around 1.75. This is a waveform output in which the power dissipation could be calculated. While analyzing the result of the other 3 counters with the proposed system design with the usage of XOR gate, the delay is around 1.20 in the proposed system and the power is around 1.69 and the transistor usage is around 12. By looking after the conventional counter 1, it is around 16. While looking after conventional counter 2, it is around 16. While looking after the conventional counter 3, it is around 13. And this is the power delay product. While looking after the proposed system, it is around 2.028. While seeing the advantage of the proposed system, low power dissipation, it gives a good performance and high speed counting action takes place low transistor. While looking after the applications, It is used in high-speed DLL, that is the dynamic link memory, and it is also used in PLL, phase locked loop application, used in the frequency synthesizer. Frequency synthesizer is a combination of frequency multiplier, frequency divider, etc. These are the reference papers which I have checked for my project. At last, I conclude my project that in the proposed system design, in the usage of XOR gate, propagation delay could be minimized while comparing the other three conventional counter design, and power dissipation could be reduced. Using XOR gate, the conventional design counter techniquence is performed and the design circuit is drawn with the schematic diagram. In the T-SPICE simulation status, the propagation delay is reduced to 1.65 and proposed power dissipation is also being minimized. Thank you.